Whether you're new to the world of online business or an experienced entrepreneur, the digital products market has an abundance of opportunities for everyone. Digital products are easy to create, have a low production cost, and offer higher profit margins as compared to their physical counterparts. It checks all the right boxes if you're looking for the best way to generate passive income. You know, the income which you can earn even while you're sleeping. Hey guys, I'm Ashwat, and in this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of selling digital products online and how you can get started in the fastest way right away. Cue the intro. Before we go further, let us first understand why choose digital products in the first place. Apart from the fact that they are easy to create with a low production cost and offer higher profit margins, digital products have a low entry barrier, no packaging or shipping costs, and an ability to scale and sell a single SKU infinitely. Digital products come in all shapes and sizes, and they can all be sold online. By the way, if you're looking for the best way to sell online, make sure to check out Dukaan from the first link in the description. But stick till the end of this video to know more in detail. For the sake of keeping this video crisp, we'll have a quick look at the top 3 kinds of digital products that you can sell right away with minimal to zero investment. Number 1, knowledge products, that is ebooks, PDFs and online courses, etc. Number 2, templates and professional resources, that is social media posts, Instagram Reels, stock videos and pictures, maybe even templates for accounting, SOPs, etc. Number 3, memberships and exclusive access, that is access to a premium community, research newsletters and special events. Now that you have an idea of what kind of products can be sold online, you might now be wondering, how can I get started and what would be the best product that I need to pick and sell? Well, worry not. We got you covered on that front as well. We'll first see what all you need to consider while creating your digital products and how to price them, and then we move on to how you can market it and sell it online. The first step is to decide what you want to sell. Start by making a list of all the things that come to your mind, both good and bad. And then ask yourself the following 3 questions to understand if those options are right for you. Number 1, do you really enjoy creating that product and does it align with your interests and passions? Number 2, what's the unique value that you can bring into this offering and would you be willing to pay for it yourself if someone else creates this product? And number 3, can you build a sustainable business around this through complementary physical products or other related digital products? When you put your ideas through these 3 questions, you'll gain some clarity on which idea would be the right fit for you and filter down the rest. Once you've made a decision on the product, it's time to define your go-to market strategy and how you will price them. Although digital products come with an inherent advantage of having no overhead expenses and inventory costs, creating digital products takes a lot of time and effort which needs to be factored in. This makes pricing digital products a bit tricky as there is no standard rule to how much you need to price your products. Now, this is where distribution comes into the picture. Distribution is not any fancy word that is super technical to understand. It basically gives you an idea of where all you can distribute your products. Think of it simply this way. If you're a popular creator, you would already have a bunch of channels where you can reach out to your audience, be it a YouTube channel, blogs, or newsletters. But if you're like me who's just starting out, your Instagram followers and WhatsApp contacts become your primary channels for distributing your product. Now, whether or not they'll pay and buy your products is a different game altogether. You'll have to play smartly with your pricing strategy to attract them and make them buy from you. For example, you could provide a bunch of freebies and build a mailing list and then use that to run a personalized marketing campaign that will attract them to your high-ticket offerings. That's just one way of getting started, and there are so many more ways to do this effectively. Distribution is nothing but knowing who will be interested in your products and how much value you can add into their lives and whether or not they can be monetized. Once you have created and priced your digital product, it's time to build your online store where people would be able to browse through your products and buy them. There are several platforms that you can use to sell your digital products like Gumroad, Sendowl, Payhib, Podia, etc. Each of these specialize in different functionalities depending on the kind of product that you want to sell. We did a detailed comparison of each of these platforms as well. Make sure to check out that video to know what's the best platform that is well suited for you. Dukaan, the #1 e-commerce platform of choice for businesses of all sizes, has recently launched support for digital products. It is super lightweight, performance-oriented, very easy to set up, and scales automatically on demand. You could get started with selling digital products in just a matter of minutes. Simply create a store, activate the digital products plugin, upload your products, and you're good to go with your digital Dukaan just like that. There's a detailed tutorial on how you can sell digital products with Dukaan, which I'll embed to this video. Do check that video from the top right corner to get started. And if you're already selling digital products through a different platform, say Gumroad, worry not. Dukaan also has a plugin called Gumroad Importer, which you can use to import all your digital products from your Gumroad store, not in minutes, but in seconds. Once you have your online store ready, it's time to market it and get people to check out your products. There are several ways to do this. Let's see them one by one. Number 1, social media marketing. Create engaging reels and posts on topical subjects and use that to promote your products across social media sites like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. Number 2, content marketing. Create valuable content around your offerings and use that to rank your store higher on Google by publishing relevant content on your blogs, social media, etc. Number 3, influencer marketing. Collaborate with other similar creators on social media and incentivize them to promote your products with their audience in exchange for a commission or special perks. Number 4, performance marketing. Run paid ads on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Google. Make an intriguing creative that prompts people to check out your products and optimize your ad spend for getting maximum conversions. Selling digital products online is a great way to generate passive income as a creator. With the right product, pricing, placement, and promotion, that is the 4 P's of marketing, anyone can build a successful online business by selling digital products. Remember to always be open to testing different strategies and make adjustments as needed. Digital products are a global market and you need to be dynamic in upping your game with the changing trends and market demand. If you're looking for the easiest, fastest, and cheapest way to get started with selling online, make sure to check out Dukaan from the first link in the description. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Our team of experts are always at your service to help you chase your digital dreams. And like always, make sure to subscribe to Dukaan and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of our updates from the world of e-commerce. See you in another video. Until next time.